Hello, my dear student. Algebra lecture number 1, chapter number 2, quadratic equation. Now, in this lecture, I am going to explain you what is quadratic equation. Okay. Now you know what is polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but what simply it is an algebraic expression. Okay. Now try to understand. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. That means what? For example, x square plus 3x minus 5, this is a what called polynomial in variable x. Now in this case, the variable is x and the highest index of variable x is 2, and therefore this is a quadratic polynomial. Similarly, 3x square minus 5x is also quadratic polynomial. 5x square is quadratic polynomial. Okay. Now, if we equate the quadratic polynomial to 0, such type of equation is known as quadratic equation. So x square plus 3x minus 5 is quadratic polynomial, and if you equate this to 0, that means x square plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, then it is a quadratic equation. Okay, so px is equal to x square plus 3x minus 5 is quadratic polynomial. Here p stand for polynomial and x stand for what variable. So px means polynomial in variable x. So px is equal to x square plus 3x minus 5 is quadratic polynomial, and x square plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, means you equate this to 0, then this becomes quadratic equation. So x square plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0 is quadratic equation. So try to understand difference between quadratic polynomial and quadratic equation. Okay. Now standard form of quadratic equation is the equation involving one variable should be 1 and having 2 as the maximum or highest index of the variable is called the quadratic equation. So general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So these conditions are what very important. This condition is very important. A square a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then this term is equal to 0 and equation is bx plus c is equal to 0, which is linear equation in one variable, because the degree of this x is equal to 1. Okay, and therefore strictly a is not equal to 0. Okay, now then the root of the quadratic equation. Now this you try to understand. If the value of the polynomial is 0, suppose one polynomial is given, and for suppose x, the value of polynomial for suppose x is equal to a, and if the value, if you put x is equal to a, and if the value of the polynomial is 0, then x minus a, remember what is that? X minus a is a factor of that polynomial, and in this case a is the root of the px is equal to 0, or it is a solution of px is equal to 0. Okay, for example px means polynomial in variable x is equal to x square plus 5x minus 6. Now at x is equal to minus 6, now we'll find the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 6, and therefore p for x you write down minus 6, p minus 6 is equal to, here you substitute x minus 6 square plus 5 into bracket minus 6 minus 6. So minus 6 square is equal to plus 36. This into this is equal to minus 30, minus 6 is equal to 36, and this is what minus 36 is equal to 0, and the value of polynomial when you substitute x is equal to minus 6 is 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 6 is the solution of the equation, and hence minus 6 is one root of the equation x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now that means the values of variable which satisfy the equation are called solutions or roots of the equation. For more explanation, I will take some examples from practice set 2.1, page 34. Okay. Question number 1. Write any two quadratic equation solution. 1 number x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Why? Because there is only one variable and variable having highest index is equal to 2. Okay, so therefore this is a quadratic polynomial. Similarly, number 2, x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is also quadratic equation. Okay, question number 2. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Okay, 1. X square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, above equation have one variable x, okay, now with highest index 2 and coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and constant term are what? Real numbers, because what coefficient of x square is what? 1 here, coefficient of x is plus 5 here, and constant term is minus 2, all are real numbers. And a means what? Coefficient of x square is not equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is 1, is not equal to 0, and therefore this is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now then number 2, y square is equal to 5y minus 10. So you write down this equation in general form. Y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. So simply I transfer these two terms on this side, and this is a quadratic equation. Now then question number 3. Y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Now this equation you simplify. Equalize the denominator. So my denominator is y. So I multiplied by y. So y square by y. Y cube plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. And therefore y cube plus 1 is equal to, this you transfer 2y. Now again you transfer this. y cube minus 2y, so this plus become minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, highest index of variable y is 3 and therefore it is not quadratic equation. Okay. Now then question number 4. X plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. So again you simplify this, equalize the denominator. My denominator is x, then multiply by this x to this x square plus 1 is upon x is equal to minus 2, and therefore x square plus 1 is equal to this, you transfer minus 2x. Again you transfer this on this side, x square minus become plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and now there is only one variable and highest index is 2, and hence this is a quadratic equation. Okay, now I will take some more examples. Question number 5. M into bracket m plus 2 and in second bracket m minus 5 is equal to 0. Simplify this, means simply you multiply. So this is what m into m square plus 2m, then multiply by this minus 5m minus 10 is equal to 0. Now then you add similar term m square, this is equal to minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0, and now this is a quadratic equation. Question number 6. M cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. Simplify this you transfer on this side, m cube minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a similar terms, add this or subtract this, minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, since it contains one variable m but highest index is 3 and therefore it is not quadratic equation. So okay, I think so you understand what is quadratic equation. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you. Take care.